dull skin. I don't like it anymore. I mean, I want something glowing. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm very good. So guys, I am back to Skinfinity. I need some glow. Come, let's meet Dr. Ishita Johri. Hi guys, I'm Yamini Malhotra and I'm here at Skinfinity Gurgaon. And I'm here to talk with Dr. Ishita Johri and get some treatments done. Hi Dr. Ishita.
Hi Yamini, pleasure having you back.
Oh, thank you so much. So पहले समझते अब monsoons आ गए हैं, the skin has become so dull and dry. And last time you did Profilo on me, and that was an amazing treatment. उसके बाद क्या glow आया था, it was fabulous. So I think I need one more sitting of it because I love the results. But before that, I want that you should talk about it and you should tell my audience also that what is Profilo and why I love it so much.
So Profilo or skin boosters are my favorite treatments as well. Quick procedure, no downtime, instant results. They take care of almost every issue that this frequent seasonal change and in spite of skincare routine, the things that you're not able to achieve, it just does it for you and it's very long lasting.
So what is the magic about it? Like, itna kya hai boosters mein that there's so much of instant result and it stays for so many months also.
Yes, because it has hyaluronic acid.
Oh.
So we see that every good ingredient, every good skin cream also for that matter, which brings glow to your skin, has hyaluronic acid by default. Now here we are using a very pure and very concentrated form of hyaluronic acid, which stays in your skin for a long time, which actually starts production of elastin and collagen.
Right.
That means it causes a process called biomodulation.
Okay.
With age or with the effect of pollution, dust, light, we are losing collagen, which is leading to extra melanin, pigmentation, uneven tone, acne issues, breakouts, dull skin. As soon as you inject this hyaluronic acid in form of boosters like Profilo, Vital or many other brands available out there. So we choose as per indication, we inject, and that gives a very long-lasting result.
So we have a lot of hyaluronic acid serums in market, and this one is injectable. So what is more beneficial, those serums or this booster?
So no matter how costly or the best brands that you use, the serum that you're applying on your face or the creams that you apply are only on the topical surface.
Right.
So on the surface, it will give that instant glow, hydration, but as soon as you wash your face, it's gone. So it's not causing any permanent result with you. It's only hydrating or wetting your dead skin.
It doesn't penetrate.
It doesn't penetrate. But here what we are doing is we are injecting the hyaluronic acid just on the 5th layer of your skin.
Wow.
It's called the epidermodermal junction. The junction, this is the space where actually the activity of collagen, elastin, melanocytes is happening. So once we deliver hyaluronic acid in this particular layer of skin, you start seeing the magic happen. It spreads all through your skin. So there's just specific 5 or 6 points where we inject it, we deposit, but within a week it spreads to your entire skin. Now once you have this padding of hyaluronic acid jelly, the light that's falling on your face is going to reflect miraculously and give you that good contouring, glow, because it's evenly reflecting because of the hyaluronic acid. So that's the additional benefit.
Lovely. Females take more care of their skin than men. Also, female skin and male skin, I think they are very different in textures.
Absolutely.
So men have a thicker skin, I guess.
Yes.
So men should do it?
Absolutely do it. So skin boosters are the most popular treatment with the grooms and the brides equally. So just 1 month or 2 months before their weddings or people who have important events, they are the first ones to come and get skin boosters done because they know that no amount of makeup, no amount of skincare or no facial available in the market can give them the amount of glow, hydration and firmness in the skin that a skin booster is going to deliver.
So that makes me think that actually grooms needed more than brides because brides will have a lot of makeup on their wedding day. Grooms can't do any makeup. They have to have normal natural skin. So I guess it is even better for them.
Yes, and grooms are more happier also after taking it because girls are already doing stuff in their face. Male skin texture, it is more thick, they are not taking care, sometimes they're not even applying sunscreens and they are not ready to do any kind of facials or superficial treatments which last for a very small time. Profilo boosters like Vital and many other injectable hyaluronic acid forms, they give the kind of glow that many have never seen before. So
Wow.
they love it. They come back for it. Once the wedding is over, they come back. Their fathers come back. Their brothers come back. So this is a very, very popular treatment in men, because without any hustle, you don't even really have to go back and do any skincare. It's just coming, taking a short 5 minutes treatment, and you're lifted, glowing, firm. People are giving you compliments about your skin.
How lovely is that?
Very rare for men also, but they like it.
So हमारे दुल्हे राजा ऐसे चमक रहे होंगे, कमाल होगा डॉक्टर इप्सिता का और उनके स्किन बूस्टर्स का, और लोग कहेंगे कि ये शादी का ग्लो आ गया है.
Yes.
So guys, the final conclusion is that skin boosters give you amazing results only if you go to the right doctor. So this is my second visit for Profilo to Dr. Ipshita Johri. So anybody in Gurgaon and Noida, they can trust her. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And if you have any more questions that I can answer for you, please leave them in the comments below, and keep following Skinfinity Derma on Instagram and YouTube, and keep connected.